Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your family account with FamilySearch, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure your FamilySearch account, start by visiting the FamilySearch website. Log in to your existing account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Locate the security settings option within the account settings menu. Enable two-step verification for an extra layer of security. Follow the prompts to link your phone number or authentication app for verification. After setting up two-step verification, create a strong, unique password. Consider using a password manager to help you generate and store complex passwords. Regularly update your password to ensure ongoing security. Review your account activity for any unfamiliar logins or changes. Set up security questions to help verify your identity if you forget your password. Ensure your account recovery options, such as email and phone number, are up to date. Educate your family members about secure online practices, such as not sharing passwords. Encourage them to use their own secure passwords for their accounts. Stay informed about any security updates or recommendations from FamilySearch. Monitor your email for alerts regarding suspicious activity on your account. If you notice any unusual behavior, change your password immediately. Regularly check and update your security settings as needed. By implementing these measures, you can significantly enhance the security of your FamilySearch account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.